would certainly say that 2016 is an eventful year, and many people say that there are a lot of black swans, and indeed there are. A lot of things that we would not have expected to happen during the year, it really happened. And as a result of that, there are a lot of event risks, and from a portfolio perspective, we have to make sure that it's continued to be well managed. And I think from a positioning perspective, we of course have to do something new as well as a result of these changes. If you look at what's now happening with the US, with their views on trade, with their views on globalization, perhaps we are going to see a more inclusive Asia going forward. We will continue to focus on those markets which are deeper and bigger. So for OCBC Bank, in addition to Singapore, of course, we are delving quite big into Indonesia. Malaysia has always been big for us. Thailand is another market that we're following our customers to go into. And of course, there is Myanmar, which is growing. So I think out of ASEAN, these are the markets that we will focus on. Well, based on what we currently see, I think the guidance is continue to expect the unexpected. I think there will continue to be certain volatilities. There will certainly be events. And as the new political leaders map out their strategy, we will have to be very careful to follow them to see what is the impact on us in terms of our expansion and in terms of our inherent markets. There will continue to be policy risks that we will face in the various countries because, as you know, the economies are still evolving. There are new economic forces that will come into play. Negative interest rates in one part of the world and increased interest rates in another part of the world. All these are going to create new opportunities and new challenges for us. We have always advised our customers that during this period of evolving changes, preserving liquidity is quite important, both for offensive reasons, if you find opportunities to acquire, as well as for defensive reasons in the event that the existing business run into some challenges. If you have an idea you want to pursue, go ahead and do it. But if you find that the idea is no longer moving forward in the way that you had originally expected, it is better to recalculate, remeasure, and then relaunch. In these markets where changes happen so often, it is kind of difficult to map out an end-to-end plan, but you have to be nimble, you have to follow the market developments, and you have to make changes to your business model as new challenges arise.